how we can align three divs, basically left, center and right, in other divs. What's up guys, it's Dimitar here and welcome to the Tech with Dimitar, and in this short video I will present you how in one container, big container, basically div, we will have three smaller containers and we will post them at left, center and right. And of course, if you're interested in this type of content and videos, hit the like button and subscribe if you enjoyed this video and you like the channel. Now let's jump to the video. I have already prepared my index.html, basically the HTML page we will write our code, and the style CSS. So I will start with the bigger container, which will be div, and inside this div I will have maybe three smaller divs, basically for our left, right and center. Now about this div, I want to give an ID to this div. We do it like this: ID equals, with the keyword ID, equals to container. And let's save it. Okay, we have our HTML elements set it up. And now let's go to a browser and see what basically will not see nothing in the browser, but let's go to a style CSS and give this div some weight and height and maybe color so we can separate them one from other. Okay, I'm in my Visual Studio Code, going to the style CSS, and first thing I want to select will be the container ID. Now, what we will have in this container, I will use something that I really love using, and this is display flex. This is for me most easy way we can use to manipulate our elements around our index HTML or any HTML page. So display flex. The next thing I want to use, it will be justify content. Justify content. And the justify content will be space between. Oops. Space. Like we see, we have three suggestions: space around, space between, and then space eventually. I'll use space around, space between, sorry. Basically that will make one of the elements right, left and center with space between these elements. And let's give some background color so we can actually see this div. Background color, let's be, I don't know, this one, violet, and let's save. So we are in how far away, and basically we create the container with the smaller divs inside. We give some background color and we use display flex with the justify content space around. This basically will use all our three elements, three divs we have, to be in left, center and right. If we go to our browser and refresh, we will see absolutely nothing since we don't have any weight and height, so we can't see our div. So to not basically give this container some weight and height, I will give weight and height of the elements. There will be same elements with same weight and height, and basically this will be the way at the height of our div container. So let's do it. Oops. First let's select it. It will be container, and we want to select the div elements in this container, which is basically these three div elements. Like this we select them, or maybe let's just use and make it more better like this with the greater than sign. And inside let's write width to be maybe 100 pixels and height, let's make it square, so 100 pixels again. let's give some borders so we can separate basically our element from the rest of the content. So border will be 3 pixels, solid of course, and color will be, let's be red, and save it. Okay, now we have all pieces, basically our big div element and the 3 elements inside. Everything is marked, and now when we go to our browser, we can see that where is the position basic of our elements. I'm in my browser, quick refresh, and voila. Let's make it a little more close. Like you see, we have our div, which will be basically to hold center, end to end, and our 3 divs inside, basically this one. Let's make it more beautiful, and let's give this maybe div some background color. Okay, I'm in my style CSS, and I will just background color maybe brown, and save it. And again, I will go to our browser and see what happened there. Okay, I'm in my browser, refresh, just to separate these elements. And like you see, even, okay, let's make it a little more responsive. Like you see, even if we move the height of our element, we see all our elements, basically these 3 elements, this div, and that div, will always stay in our left side, center, and our right side, no matter what we actually do. So I think this will be for this video. If you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe, of course, for more of that type of content. If you like videos to be more faster, just write me in the comment below. If you want at the beginning just to show you the code and to skip the rest of the video, just write me again in the comment. Anything you want to see or know, just write me in the comment. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.